In order to take on the likes of OpenAI ChatGPT and Google Gemini, Meta has unleashed the Meta AI chatbot. Seamlessly integrated with WhatsApp, it is designed to let you quickly sort out your queries. If you're fond of Meta AI, chances are you'll love to customize the chat tone to your heart's liking. Thankfully, there are a handful of pretty cool chat tones to choose from. That said, let's get started. So first off, you have to open the WhatsApp on your device. Then tap on the Meta AI icon at the top. After that, tap on the Meta AI name at the top of the chat. Then tap on Custom Tone option. Then you have to choose the preferred tone like code, input, hello, pulse, and more. And finally, tap on the Save option at the top right corner of the screen and you are all set. So that's how you can easily customize the Meta AI chat tone to your heart's liking on your iPhone or Android device. Now that you have unlocked this hidden feature, make the most of it to give the Meta AI chatbot your personalized touch. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.